Meher, it is said that as soon as you open your mouth, your capability as a leader is judged. And when I say open your mouth, I mean public speaking skills, communication skills also, but public speaking skills also. So, what is the importance you feel for anyone who is wanting to climb up the ladder in the corporate world to imbibe public speaking skills?
To be very honest with you, Shagun, I was really bad at even participating in team meetings because of, self-doubt and imposter syndrome. So I never pushed myself to even speak up in a team meeting. And I feel like it's a muscle that you have to develop, right? Like we were talking earlier, we are very fearful of what people think of us. And that's what keeps us in our shell and keeps us from speaking up. I feel like really challenge yourself to start speaking up maybe in smaller settings. Now that could be maybe you're chilling with friends and family and you just say, okay, I want to give a speech today. That's how I started. I started giving toasts at family functions. So I think when you start becoming comfortable in smaller, more comfortable settings, then only you will increase and develop that muscle. And then once you started to do it more frequently, again, your communication skills will develop slowly and steadily. So I used to set a challenge for myself that in the next 10 team meetings, I'm going to say at least one thing. So, when I put that kind of goal and deadline on myself, I started participating more, and slowly and steadily that I was getting more and more comfortable sharing my opinion, sharing my knowledge, and being okay with people disagreeing with me. So I feel like a lot of us just stay in the cocoon and fear what people will think. And I think public speaking is nothing but speaking to like a large audience. And if you can do it in smaller settings, slowly and steadily, you will be able to give that presentation to 50 clients sitting in front of you. So I feel like stop feeling like everybody's judging you. Everybody's there to listen to you. You were hired in that organization for a reason. You are part of that room, a part of that meeting for a reason, right? So try to remember your self-worth, like really remind yourself of your achievements and just practice and rehearse as much as you can. And that's how you get better.
Correct. Such beautiful lines, Meher, you've mentioned. And one line that I want to repeat again for the viewers is, don't be afraid that what other people will say. Don't be afraid what other people will think of you. And be okay if someone disagrees with you. I think that's a very important line. Be okay if someone disagrees with you. And you're there in that meeting, you're there in the company for a reason. So there is no need for you to feel small or insufficient or that you don't know enough. So just speak out and be okay with if someone says a no.